We need to take out the front bumper, so we have to take out some clips over here, some of them underneath this grill. There's some clips underneath, same as this other side. On the side over here, take those ones out, and then there's some bolts. This bolt, this one, those ones that we need to take out, same as this other side. Then with that we'll be able to take the bumper out. And that's how you take off your bumper.